Hello mga kakusina! Welcome po ulit sa inyo dito sa aking cooking channel, The Cusinera at its Finest. Dahil cooking is life and food is life, panibagong pagluluto na naman po kasama ako. So tara na, let's start cooking! For today's recipe, tayo po ay magluluto ng shawarma rice. Unahin na muna natin ang paggawa ng toum or garlic sauce. So I'm using 2 whole bulbs of garlic, lemon juice, and I seasoned this with salt. You need a blender or food processor to make this sauce mga kakusina, and ang gamit ko po dyan ay hand blender. Once na liquefied na yung ating garlic, I will slowly add a neutral oil. In this case, I'm using canola oil ng paunti-unti until the mixture becomes an emulsion. So nakita nyo naman mga kakusina, it's really the garlic that's making the sauce white, and to prevent it from discoloring, that's the reason why we added lemon juice. Now I'm gonna add 1 container of Greek yogurt and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin itong i-blend mga kakusina until our toum or garlic sauce is smooth and thick. And then ilalagay ko na siya sa isang sauce bottle. I'll just keep this in the fridge para mag-marry lahat ng flavors na nilagay natin. Now let's prepare our spices. We will need 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Minimix ko ito mga kakusina prior to adding it to our beef para evenly distributed ang ating spices. Since this is a very easy shawarma rice recipe, I am using ground beef. Now, I'm gonna add the spices. Yung beef, sinote ko na ito with a little bit of oil, and tinimplahan ko na rin ito ng asin. Now, I'm using ground round mga kakusina, kaya medyo lean yung beef natin. Now, to add moisture to our shawarma meat, I added 1 small container of yogurt, and then I seasoned it with ground pepper. So, kung pansinin niyo mga kakusina, hindi tayo naglagay ng soy sauce or oyster sauce. This is not a Chinese recipe, kaya hindi natin ilalagay yung mga ingredients na yon. Now, for the vegetables, I am just slicing tomatoes and tinanggal natin yung mga buto, mga kakusina, para hindi siya magtubig. Same thing with the cucumber or pepino, tatanggalin din natin yung buto, but we retain the skin because the skin has a lot of vitamins. Now, pagdating sa pag-slice ng vegetables mga kakusina, pwede nyong gayahin yung style ko, yung maninipis lang na slices, or you can actually cube it into small pieces. Depende na po yan sa inyong preference. Dito sa aking version ng shawarma rice mga kakusina, I added thinly sliced white onions. Now, I know a lot of you may not like onions, so optional ingredient siya. White onions are less pungent and sweeter than red onions, pero kung gusto nyo naman ng matapang na lasa, you can go ahead and use red onions. Prepared na lahat ng ating ingredients mga kakusina. Nakapagluto na rin ako ng black rice. So I am just plating this, and this is how I would serve it. Now, we are consuming black rice since mas mataas yung protein content nito and less carbohydrates compared to white rice. But if you want to make turmeric rice using white rice, go ahead mga kakusina. It's really up to you, whatever floats your boat. Don't forget to serve this with the toum or garlic sauce mga kakusina. Ayan na nga, pati sa rice naglagay na ako because I really love the flavor of this sauce mga kakusina. It's very close to the authentic recipe. Kahit sa mga spices natin mga kakusina, I tried my best to actually add only the spices that are authentic in shawarma. So that is it mga kakusina, isa na namang cuisine recipe ang nailuto at na-share natin for today. Now if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video to your family and friends, and kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na para naabangan mo yung mga upcoming videos ko and recipes.
Thanks again for watching mga kakusina. See you again on the next video. Bye now!